since you are writing a book, you'd probably be able to also throw light on a fact which I hear from some of the practitioners of indirect tax, and they tell me that many of their clients tell them that you say it's a single tax, but there are three elements in it which doesn't make it a single tax. They say that there is CGST, SGST, IGST. So a lot of people don't understand this. They feel that there are three taxes. It's like a trident, it's like a trishul, which is going into their bags. And this is the three taxes hitting us all together, and you say it's a single tax. So what do you say to this?
So it's single tax only for us as a consumer, or for us as a businessman or a professional also. It's a single tax only, because there are going to be one tax throughout the country. Though it is a different matter altogether that for every intra-state transaction, that is a transaction taking place within the geographical boundaries of a state. For example, let us suppose that a buyer and seller both are from West Bengal and the goods are delivered within West Bengal only. Then that transaction or an activity will attract CGST, that is Central Goods and Services Tax, and SGST, that is State Goods and Services Tax. And if there is an interstate transaction, that is transaction between two entities who may be in the same state, but the goods or services are required to be delivered in another state. So it is the movement of goods which is important, or the movement of service which is important. So if the person who is selling the goods or the entity who is providing the service is from state A, and that service or the goods are consumed in state B, then it will attract what it is called integrated goods and services tax, that is IGST. Now why it is integrated? Because the central goods and services tax and state goods or services tax will be integrated into one.
Now since there is this interstate and intra-state sale,
yes,
will the registrations be a single registration? Supposing I am a supplier and I have business running in three separate states, say West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. You mean to say I'll have to get more than a single registration under GST?
Yes, from wherever your place of business is, from where you are selling the goods or rendering the services, you will have to register yourself. So if you are operating from more than one state, then obviously you have to register in all the states.